Hello, I welcome everyone for the Excel capstone project. I'm Vinayak Tigdoli, an aspiring data scientist, and I welcome you all for this project session. So this is an Excel capstone project, and I have named the dashboard as a regional revenue dashboard. There are some key objectives, as you can see over here. Okay, so this is the scenario. So I have been hired as an BI analyst for Maven Toys, a small retail store in US. This is the problem statement. And as a solution, we have to create a new monthly dashboard for regional sales manager where we can filter the data by profit and loss. So these are some problem statements which we'll be working upon and creating our visuals, finally the dashboards. So this is the data set which I have found it from Maven Analytics. So there are around seven dimensions, three measures, which includes roughly around 4,800 records, and there are 10 fields. So this is how my dashboard looks. Firstly, this is the line chart, uh, which based upon the problem statement which we have created to show trends. The bar chart to rank the stores across various regions, and the table to display which products drove growth and which product caused losses based upon the region. Let's move on to the Excel. So this is my data from Maven Analytics. So this is our dashboard, and in this cell we can toggle between the regions. So you can see Los Angeles, this is the revenue, and these are the percentage change versus last month, and this is the percentage change versus last year, and this is the revenue trend for the current year and the previous year. And this is a dynamic dashboard. We can via so once new data comes, this dashboard should accommodate that data and should generate insights. Okay. So this is the stores which are sorted by ranks, and this is the month over month percentage change in revenue, as you can see here, New York. And these products uh, have been so this table gives us the products which have maximum profit and the products which have caused maximum losses. Coming over to the conclusion, uh, so as you can see, we have successfully completed the dashboard for regional sales of Maven Toys, and we firmly believe that there should not be difficulty after using the dashboard, which was seen earlier by the COO. And the plan is to accommodate the dashboard for future data also. So proper implementing the dashboard would help the organization on taking proper strategies and gaining some insights and taking proper decisions upon the data generated. Okay, thank you. Thank you, everyone.